Start it, Sam.
Forgetting I had that. 9.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that was close. Woo! Whoa! Watch. Kyle's right there. Watch it.
I couldn't stop.
Man. Yeah. I definitely hit two people now.
How did I not hit you? You scared me.
That's gotta be a 10.
Gotcha, Josh.
Back, Tony.
Did somebody get Tony?
Yeah.
Caleb just did. Nobody got me before that.
Wait, that means
He was dead right
we're
there.
pinned and both of you are dead.
No. He was dead over there. We were just shooting.
Oh, was he?
He was
Okay,
dead
sorry.
before.
He hit me. Trevor didn't hit me.
He
Caleb
said
shot you from the back.
Yeah, not until after they've shot.
They've shot.
How much? I'll count it. Who shot me?
I think Kyle got
You did?
I would think Kyle.
That was confusing, man.
The only reason.
I knew you stopped. I didn't know what was. I ran out of ammo too.
Should we give ourselves a pin?
Give ourselves a pin.
So, add a pin is adding points. I haven't seen anyone do it yet.
You haven't seen anyone add pins?
10, 9,
Coming back over
8,
just died.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! I think I fired a blank. Woo!
Was that you, Nick?
Are we good?
Caleb over there. We're all the way around the other corner.
Can I get you, Nick?
Ah! Who was that?
That was Nick.
Wait, you stay right there, yeah.
What happened?
Couple lucky shots. What do we got? What do we got?
Mike and Kyle in the hall.
Is there anyone in the alcove?
Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoops, sorry, Derek. Oh, garbage. Whoa. Sorry.
You gotta stop hitting me!
Yeah! I think I hit you. And Kyle's there, Trevor.
I got him.
Gotcha! Knee! I got you, John.
Watch out, turn trailer, turn trailer.
Ah, dang it. Did they call pin?
That wasn't the rule, though. Everybody voted against that rule.
Yeah.
It doesn't count
It's
if
what-
we was still out. Oh, it's not a pin, you just push side.
Did I miss call?
Nope.
I thought we always said you could choose to call your own pin. If
10, 9,
coming out,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, snap.
Okay, he's crushing on the other side.
Whoa!
Wait, Trevor, behind you!
No, I used my own gun today. Thanks, Tony.
Time!
Totally got cranked before today.
I didn't do very well.
Are you kidding me? You killed me like 18 times.
No.
That's what I said yesterday. 18 factorial.
You killed me a lot.
I thought Trevor killed me like 5-6 times yesterday. There was only a couple.
Yeah.
Felt like a
It
lot.
was at least 4.
3. Kyle. I think we need to count, we won anyways, but we should count that as a pin.